Did you know there's a correct way to use a fire extinguisher? Don't wait until you're in a potentially dangerous situation to find out how. In the event of a fire, before you do anything, call for help and evacuate everyone from your home. Also, find a safe evacuation path for yourself and don't let fire, smoke, or heat come between you and your planned exit. To use your extinguisher, stand at least 8 feet from the fire and use the pass method. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. 1. Pull the pin to unlock the extinguisher's operating lever. 2. Aim low at the base of the fire. 3. Squeeze the lever to discharge the extinguisher. 4. Sweep from side to side while aiming at the base of the fire, and repeat if the fire reignites. To find out more about avoiding fires in your home and what to do in case of a fire, check out our Prepare and Prevent guide on travelers.com. How to use a fire extinguisher.